What if I told you that you could add XAI's new Grok 4.6 to your own web application without an XAI API key, without building a backend, and without paying for your users' AI usage out of your own pocket? And the best part, your users cover their own usage. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to do this using Puter.js. But more importantly, I'll explain how it actually works, why it can be free for developers, and how pays when someone uses Grok 4.6 inside your application. Because if you ever tried to add an AI model like Grok to a web app, you already know the process. First, you need to an XAI developer account. Then you create an API key, set up billing or add credits, and finally integrate that API into your application. But the real problem starts after you publish your app. Every user who sends a message through your application is using your API credits. And if your app suddenly gets hundreds or thousands of users, all of that usage is coming out of your pocket. So now you have to worry about your API costs, protecting your API key, setting usage limit, and preventing abuse. And this is exactly the problem the Puter.js solves. Instead of every user consuming your personal XAI API balance, each user uses their own Puter account and covers their own AI usage. That's why you can add Grok 4.6 to your application without managing an XAI API key or building a backend just to protect it. This video is sponsored by Puter.js. Puter.js is a JavaScript library that allows developers to add AI and other cloud capabilities directly to their applications. And in this video, we are going to use it to add XAI's new Grok 4.6 to a web application. I'll show you the complete process, including the code, a practical demo, what happens when a new user uses the app, and finally, exactly how Puter's user pays model works. So let's get started. So let's open their website, click link in the description, and you will directly move to developer.puter.com/Grok 4.6 this page. This is Grok 4.6 model, XAI model. So now we would like to integrate it inside our web application, this AI model. So here on the right side, you can see we have this integration guide, how we can do it and add it to our web application. So npm script python curl. So we will use, if you are using React.js, Vue.js, or any other library of JavaScript, so you can install Puter inside your application. Then import it and use it like this. I will show you, okay, in practically. But we would like to use it inside JavaScript and HTML file. So we will come to this script tag. We will just use this one line of script. Look at this script, as you can see. And down we have this function, puter.ai.chat. This function is used to chat with it. Okay, here we can just write our prompt, and we will select here the model, which model we would like to use, like XAI Grok 4.6, and then we will get the response and display that on the browser. Come here. This is a application that I have built. I will show you it right now. Let's press this go live button, as you can see at the end of Visual Studio Code, and I will run this application. Okay, so this is application that I have built. Let's move to this open chart. Press this button and we will directly come to this chart area where we can just add chart and have the history of previous charts. And here we can chart with this model. Like, first of all, before showing to you, I will just directly move back to the coding. And in the coding, I have ordered this line. Okay, as you can see, the Puter.js, this script tag. This script tag has been added to my HTML file. And the second one is the function that we would like to use. Okay, in the JavaScript area, I will show you that function also. Just come here. Okay, this is the function. As you can see, this response, we will get response from puter.ai.chat, this function. And this is our prompt conversation. And this is the model that we have selected. Then we will get response and we will display the response on the screen. Let's come back to our browser, and here I will start chatting with this. Hello. Press enter and we will see the response from Grok 4.6. Hello, how can I help you today? Tell me about Puter.js in one line. Okay, so this is my question. And the response from Grok 4.6 is that Puter.js, a JavaScript SDK that lets web apps use Puter's Cloud OS like this. This was the response from Grok 4.6. But I already had account inside Puter.com. That's why I didn't face the login page. Whenever someone open your application and he want to use this API, he would like to chat. So he need to create his account like this. I will show you practically. Let me copy this and move to this mode and paste it. So whenever someone open a new user, open your application, chat application, so he will face with this login page. Let me chat with this. So directly a pop-up will appear to log in and create his account inside Puter. Okay, for the first time, a new user need to create his account inside Puter. After creating his account, he has some free credits to use that, to test that. After that, he need, after ending those free credits, he need to add his credits to his account. Then he can chat and use this API. And it will charge the user own account, own credits. Okay, the user, whenever a user is using your application, so it will not charge your API credits, but it will charge a user's own credits. So that is all about this. Okay, for the first time, a user need to create his own account and add credits to his account. Then your application will charge the user's own API credits. That's all about that. And now let's me show you the second example that I have created. So this is my second application code. As you can see, I have added this script line at the head. And after that, we have our CSS code, HTML code. In the JavaScript code, we have used that function. I will show you the function. Look at this is the function. Puter.ai.chat in our prompt, and we have selected the model. Then we will get the response and display the response on the screen. So let me show you this one also. Let's run it. So this is the second analyzer app, which is you specifically designed this chat app for developer, for making plan as a developer. Okay, whenever you want to build a project, so it will create a plan for you, how to build a plan for your application. Like for example, we want to build an e-commerce platform. Okay, build an e-commerce platform. So these are already built prompts. So I will click this. You can write your own prompt or you can select one of these. So I have selected this e-commerce, and as you can see, this is my plan. So now we will press generate a plan. So it will generate a plan for us. Let's press this. So the plan has been generated. Project overview. So this is project overview, recommended stack, front end, back end, ORM, payment, everything, and core features, database schema. Everything is listed here. So this was specifically designed for making plan. So this was just a two application demo application that I have showed you the how you can integrate inside your chat application. Whatever is your web application, so you can use it inside that like this. But if you are using a JavaScript library like React.js, Vue, or Angular, so then you can come here to the npm and directly install it like this using this command and import it and use it like this simply. So this was the usage guide how you can use it inside your web application. Now let's come to the question that how it is free and for whom it is free. So the user pays model. So you have a link in the description for this page. I will explain you. So whenever someone would like to use your application and chat with this AI model Grok 4.6, what they need to do, so they will consume their own credits. They will not touch your AI balance. It will cost you $0 even if millions of users use your application. And how? So first of all, the user need to create their account inside Puter. After creating their account, they have their own bill, their own credits, and even they have free monthly allowance. Okay, for the first time, they will have free credits to test it and use it. And after that, they need to pay for the Puter and they will use their own credits. Okay, so whenever someone would like to use your application and chat with model, they need to create their account. After creating an account, they have free credits. After whenever the free credit ended, they need to upgrade their account and add balance to their account. Then they will use their own balance. They will not touch your AI balance and credits. So if we compare it with the traditional method, in the traditional method, we were setting up the payment, but in with Puter.js, we don't need to about the payment. And we need in the traditional method, we were managing our API key to secure that, but with Puter, we don't need about the API key. With Beelang, we pay the developer pay, but with Puter, each user pays their own. And scaling cost, grow user, zero cost. So this is all about the traditional and the with Puter method. And here are the advantages of using Puter.js. You can read all about this. So this was the user pays model, that how it works. So the developer will not worry about the balance. So it was all about today the Grok 4.6 adding to your own web application and the user pays model. And you have all link in the description to move and check these pages. So thanks again to Puter.js for sponsoring this video. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section. What would you build with Grok 4.6 if you didn't have to manage your own XAI API key or pay for every user's AI request? I'm curious to see your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.